Here we are, probably a couple hours later, not even a couple hours later, about a half hour to 45 minutes later. There's a second tornado. This one is to the due west of north and west of where we've seen the other tornado. And this one just jumped up out of the ground about 3 minutes ago and went really huge, really fast. And it looks like it could be tearing up a lot of stuff. There's a truck in front of me. We're sitting at a truck stop in Cheyenne, Wyoming, on the east side of Cheyenne with the pilot. And hopefully this will be the last tornado we see today. Looks like it could go to the supercell. Who knows what it's going to be, what classification. It's getting really monstrous. I'd hate to be over there around it. Need to make a phone call. I'm sitting here watching this. Phone, dude. Hey, you can do what? Yeah, you got your son's phone number? Yeah. Well, you might ought to call your boy and check on him, make sure he's still alive, because I'm in East Cheyenne right now, watching a huge tornado towards town and on the other side of town. Yeah, this is the second tornado I've seen. The first one was to the south side, and now this one has just jumped up out of the ground and gotten really, really big. Yeah, I'm videotaping it. It'll be on YouTube. But you might ought to get off the phone with me and call him and make sure he's okay. I'm sure they got shelter to run to, but who knows, man. I mean, this thing, it just jumped. I was sitting here looking at the sky and it just jumped up out of the ground. Yeah, I'm at the truck stop waiting on a load. I delivered at the Lowe's out here. Yeah, we're trying to get back to Idaho so we can so she can take care of some business.